discovered?
Small vaccine.
Smallpox vaccine. Pox, ha? Pox. Smallpox. What is the name of the first man-made satellite?
Sputnik 1.
What is the oldest branch of science?
Astronomy.
What was the first element discovered using a telescope?
Uranus.
Uranus. What is considered the first scientific calculator?
Abador ba yun?
Abacus.
You forgot abacus.
What invention made long-distance sea travel easier in the past?
Compass.
Very good. What
Meron ako.
invention made it possible to preserve food by cooling?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. What invention allowed people to capture and view moving pictures?
Microscope.
Motion picture camera. What invention helped people communicate across the world instantly?
Telephone.
Very good. What ancient tool was used for measuring time by the sun's shadow? Sundial. What invention?
Sundial. I know that. Those are the ones that connect the sun and the moon.
Correct. What invention allowed humans to travel to the moon?
Rocket.
Very good. What was the first?
Spaceships.
What was the first animal sent to space?
Like a dog.
Laika. Name a dog named Laika. What invention made writing easier and faster in the past?
Typewriter.
Typewriter. Dito naman tayo sa may events in science history. Who was the first man to step on the moon?
Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong.
Very good. What year did Neil Armstrong?
1969. 1969. I think that year was after 1950. 1970. Oh, I'm done. I'm dead.
Who was the first woman in space?
Diba Espanyol ba yun? Espanyol.
Valentina Trecos ba?
Sabi ko sa iyo,
Trescuba.
parang Spanish. Yeah, her name is Spanish because Spanish people have a Spanish name. Like this one.
Who was the first Filipino scientist to study tarsiers? Who was the first Filipino scientist to study tarsiers? Dr.
Jose Rizal.
Joscoro Rabor.
He was the first Filipino to discover the Philippines' only primate, smallest primate of every low primate species, tarsier. Found in Madagascar, Philippines, Mindoro, and the Mindoro Islands of the Philippines, Visayas, Mindanao, and Luzon. All species are recognized by the size, shape, and color.
Oh. What is the oldest known medicine in history?
Herbal medicine.
What ancient civilization invented the concept of zero in math? The Indians. Very good. What ancient civilization built the pyramid using engineering in math? The Egyptians.
Egyptians. After 1.6 million years ago, it became the Egyptian period. Stone Age. The Stone Age, and now it's
Stone
the
Age?
After the Stone Age
After
or
the Stone
Cenozoic
Age.
Age equals to the Egyptian Age or the Pyramid Age.
Who proposed that the Earth revolves around the Sun?
Galileo.
Nicolas Copernicus. Sabi, nilitong-lito ka kay Galileo, tsaka kay Nicolas Copernicus.
Galileo.
Who discovered that Earth rotates on its axis daily? Oh, Galileo na yan. Who invented the first camera?
Camera.
Who invented the first camera? Joseph Nicephore Nipsey. Nicephore Nipsey. Who discovered that plants produce oxygen? Joseph Priestley.
Oh yeah, he's the one that discovered plants and trees and more things that are like stupid plants that exist that
Stupid plants.
oxygen that